Hey, it's Alan here from LearnKoreanFast.com, and I'm going to continue in this video our discussion about this, that, and that over there, right? Because I mentioned before that we can combine this with nouns, and we can also combine this with way, right? And this is probably one of the most common ways that someone will talk about a direction, right? So we can use this way, and we're going to pick up a couple of really cool things in this video, in this lesson, by doing this, right? So first thing is that 쪽 means way, right? Side, right? So 이쪽으로, this side, right? And 으로 is to, right? So we're going to get that maybe in a couple of other kinds of sentence structures that we'll have that'll come up later, right? So something 로, 뭐뭐로, 뭐뭐으로, right? All right, so 이쪽으로 means this way, right? Right? That, 그쪽으로, right? Or 저쪽으로, especially if we're talking about a way that's not near us. If, say we're talking about directions to some place, right? So now, don't confuse this with to do something in this way. That's a completely different sentence structure, and we will cover that in a future video. But this one is just for this direction, right? So, for example, we'll often hear this, right, as 이쪽으로 오세요. 이쪽으로 오세요. 이쪽으로 오세요. 오다, to come, right? So 이쪽으로 오세요. Please come here. Very polite. 이쪽으로 오세요. Right? So 그쪽으로 오세요. And we will use that at times. We can use come to that way. We'll come that way, right? But probably we want to switch here to 가세요, right? Probably more common for us to use ga, right? So because we have 오다, 가다, and where 못대 오세요, right? So please come, bring something to me. 못대 가세요, take something, right? So the come and go is kind of important in Korean too, which direction somebody is moving to. Okay, so 이쪽으로 오세요. So 그쪽으로 가세요, and 저쪽으로 가세요, right? So in that way. We can always do that. We can add 하세요 if we want to, but we want to be careful that we don't get this confused with in that way to do something, right? So maybe somebody's too close to me and I want someone to move away to do something. 저쪽으로 하세요, right? 저쪽으로 가세요. 그쪽으로 가세요. Could be, hey. move along, right? So we will get it that way for in a way to do something, right? Okay, so cool. So now we have 쪽, we learned as side or way, and this way, and that way over there, come, go, do. Okay, cool. So I hope that you'll find that really helpful and you can just add that right into your Korean language use right away, right? So please remember to click subscribe, like, share, and please leave a comment if you've got one or a question. And thanks a lot to everybody, really thanks a lot to everybody who's been checking out my website, LearnKoreanFast.com. There are a couple of free resources there. Also, below that link is a link to my book on Amazon, and buying that book really is helpful because that helps me to have more time to make these kinds of videos for you guys. All right, so thanks a lot. 다음에 뵙시다.